Hi, welcome to What We Cook USA. Today we're cooking some delicious steaks on the campfire.
Juicy campfire steaks with buttery garlic potatoes right by the river. Let's get started. First, grab your beef steaks and season them with crushed black pepper and a pinch of salt. Simple, bold, and full of flavor. Next, grind some peppercorns and rub in your favorite herbs like rosemary, thyme, and a touch of oregano, coating every side. Ah, that aroma. It already smells like adventure. Now, let's set up our campfire. Stack your logs, light the kindling, and let the fire crackle to life. That sound? Pure weekend happiness. While the fire gets steady, rinse fresh potatoes, wrap them in foil, and nestle them right into the hot coals. They'll roast perfectly while we focus on our star, the steak. In a cast iron pan, melt a big chunk of butter. Add chopped onions, garlic, and a few spices. Stir that golden mix. Oh yes, that's the smell of comfort food. And of course, no campfire cooking is complete without coffee. Brew a hot cup of camp coffee and enjoy a little sip while the magic happens.
Morning, I made coffee. Oh, you're the best. Smells amazing.
Now for the fun part, the steaks. Drizzle a touch of oil over them and lay them on a sizzling hot stone over the fire. Hear that sizzle? That's pure joy. Flip them carefully, press gently, and let that beautiful crust develop. Smoky, juicy, rustic, just how outdoor cooking should be. Once the steaks are rested, slice them up and serve with your baked potatoes. Spoon that garlic butter sauce right on top. Look at that shine. It's mouth-watering. Smoky steak, buttery potatoes, and the sound of the river. It doesn't get more American than this. Thanks for joining us on What We Cook USA. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Comment your favorite camping food, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes from across America. Happy cooking!
Don't forget to subscribe to What We Cook USA.